All right, for 38, we are finding the area of triangle ABC to the nearest square unit. I'm gonna make this a little smaller so I have some space to work. We have a formula that says like area equals, actually we're gonna write area 1/2, and then we have, let's see, little b times little c times the sine of big A. You have a bunch of these formulas in different forms, but in this one I noticed that we have little c across from c, we have little b across from little b, and we have big A. So this is the one I'm going to use. It's nothing fancy, literally just plug everything in. So we have 1/2 times 14 times 17 times the sine of 44. And then we type it into our calculator. So I'm going to do 0.5 times 14 times 17 times and the sine of 44. I type that all in just one line and hit enter. When I do that, I get 82.6. We're rounding to the nearest degree, or yeah, no, the nearest square unit, sorry, not degrees. So we want to round to that, your ones place. We have 82.6, which is going to be 83 units squared, which would be B.